was born to fly and spread these wings.
Alam nyo, si Krisha kasi, ano yan very responsible, independent, saka loving. So, may mga times na magkakaroon siya ng kasalanan, ayaw mo nang magalit kasi yayakap na siya, iiyak na siya. Alam mo si Krish, mahilig kasi ang mag-travel So every time na magta-travel siya, parang lagi siyang excited sa pupuntahan. Kahit mahilig siyang mag-beach, kahit yung mga simpleng lugar lang, kahit nga pagpupunta lang kaming McDonald's o kaya Jollibee, excited siya. Krish, happy birthday. You are already 7 years old, so makaka-experience ka ng mga mabubuting bagay sa buhay. You will have plenty of friends. Actually, ang message ko is very simple lang. Krish, you don't need many friends. You just need quality friends. Sa school, magkakaroon ka ng maraming friends, but choose your friends wisely and never forget your family. Because at the end of the day, when everything wala na, you will always have your family beside you.
Today will be the day, it all will take. No one is in my way.
Happy 7th birthday, Ate. Today, on your special day, we wish that you continue to be a good and loving daughter, a sweet and caring ate to your sister Bea. And of course, we wish that you continue to be kind and friendly to others. Always remember that mommy and daddy will be by your side in whatever you want to do or whatever you want to pursue in your life. We love you. Happy birthday, ate.
Welcome to my party!
We all fall down, we get banged up, but the scars show how love heals us.
Happy birthday, Krish.
Happy birthday and God bless. Happy birthday, Chris. I love you.
Happy birthday, Chris. God bless you. Happy birthday, Chris. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Krisha. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Krisha.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day.
Hi, Ate Chris. Happy 7th birthday. Wish you good health. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Andito lang si Mama para sa inyong dalawa ni Bea. I love you and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Krisha. Lagi mo tandaan ikaw yung little princess ni Tito. Dito si Tito palagi. Kahit 7 ka man or 71, nandito si Tito.